It's VJ from Canada. I'm down at the Victoria Fields, and behind me we've got the setup for this weekend's ribfest, and it usually draws a pretty good crowd, and we got a couple happy pigs there behind me. Now, personally, I'm a vegan, so I won't be partaking any of the Porky Pig products, but a lot of people do enjoy their ribs. One of the funniest things is there's some vegan activists that come out, and they usually set up on the other side with by the Ability Center there with meat is murder signs. I personally think their approach is wrong, because you're just going to scare the little kids. I think they'd be further off if just maybe get themselves a stall at the Rib Fest and maybe serve vegetarian substitutes. But it's a big event in Whitby. A lot of rides, a lot of vintage rides, tons of specialty foods, and a lot of junk food too. Funnel cake, games for the kids, but it's an enjoyable few days for everybody. And if you get a chance, come out to Victoria Park's Field in Whitby. Good times.